Hi everybody, welcome to my new video, djor.dje, and in this video I wanted to give my reaction to the Swedish entry for Eurovision 2022 performed by Cornelia Jacobs, and her song is called Hold Me Closer. Cornelia won the Swedish national selection Melody Festivalen, and now she's going to Turin to represent Sweden. So I'm going to play her performance from the national selection and give my opinion. Yeah, she gives me the vibe like even though this is a modern song, she also has something retro about her in the performance and in the styling, and I like it. And this is very emotional, and the lyrics really get across to the viewers and to the listeners. Yeah, this is very emotional. This is very emotional song, and she's selling it so well. She's interpreted it. She's a great performer, because basically every time I hear this song, I feel like I'm the person that she's singing this to. Like I'm the person that she lived this with, and then she's telling me all this, and it's crazy like how she managed to do that. Yeah, I love the lyrics. I love the lyrics. Some people might say that it's generic, but to me they're not. I absolutely love how everything is worded and placed. Still, I can see how that will ease the pain in my chest. I love that line. Yeah, the chorus is really strong. And her voice is just that rasp in her voice, that emotion in her voice, that the way that she transmits her emotion is insane. Like, I'm speechless. Really, from the moment I heard it the first time, I felt like there was something in this, and there's absolutely something in this. Winner potential even. And I like what they did with the performance. It's really simplistic, but still it's very powerful. Yeah, crazy. Listen to her voice. Listen to her voice. It's like she's crying. So she's crying, and it sounds real. It sounds real. It sounds genuine, and I love that about the song and about her performance. This has the potential to go all the way into Turin. This could be the Swedish 7th victory. They could, have a tie with Ireland with this one. Hold tight indeed, because Sweden might be going all the way into it. Yeah, this was Cornelia Jacobs and Hold Me Closer for Sweden. Now, I've liked a lot of Swedish songs in the past couple of years, and I mean in the past 10 years or more. I think their national selection is always great. It's like a mini, not even a mini Eurovision, it's like Eurovision before Eurovision. And they're really doing a great job, and it's insanely popular over there. And they've had some great songs. For example, last year, Voices. I love Voices. It was a great song. But this year, I think it's maybe the best song that they've sent since Heroes, like 2015. So even though they've had a lot of good songs in between, but I think this one really feels like very, very real, and the emotion is insane. Like it goes, through the speakers, through the screens, and yeah, Cornelia did that, and she's going to Turin. So I think I can see this in the top 5 for sure. I could even say that it has the ability to win the Eurovision 2022, but we have to wait and see the rest of the performances and the draw and everything. So this was my opinion about the song Hold Me Closer and Cornelia Jacobs for Sweden. What do you guys think? What do you think of the chances of Sweden in Turin? Do you think this could be the Swedish 7th victory? How do you think it's going to do? Do you think it's overrated, underrated? Let me know in the comments below. Let's discuss. And thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more, and see you later, or see you in the next one. Ciao.